Have you ever looked at a Washington quarter and wondered if an ordinary-looking coin could actually be worth much more than its face value? Today, we are taking a closer look at the 1995 Washington quarter dollar, a coin that millions of people may have handled without ever realizing that certain examples can attract serious attention from collectors. The 1995 Washington quarter was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which is identified by the small P mint mark found on the obverse side of the coin. At first glance, this quarter may look completely normal, but when it comes to coin collecting, the smallest details can sometimes make a big difference. The first thing you should check is the condition of your 1995 quarter. Coins that have been heavily circulated usually show scratches, wear, dirt, and loss of detail. However, coins with sharp designs, strong luster, clean surfaces, and very little wear can be much more interesting to collectors. The better the condition, the greater the potential collectible value. Next, take a close look at the date and mint mark. Make sure the coin really says 1995 and that the mint mark is AP. The mint mark can help identify where the coin was produced, but remember that simply having a P mint mark does not automatically make the coin rare or extremely valuable. The most exciting part is checking for mint errors and unusual varieties. During the minting process, coins can sometimes develop mistakes involving the design, lettering, numbers, planchet, strike, or other details. Collectors pay special attention to genuine mint-made errors because they can make an otherwise common coin much more desirable. Look carefully around the lettering, Washington's portrait, the date, the edge, and the reverse design. You are looking for anything that appears genuinely unusual compared with a normal 1995 Washington quarter. If you find something strange, do not immediately assume it is a valuable error. Damage that happens after a coin leaves the mint is very common and usually does not carry the same premium as a genuine mint error. Another important factor is condition and grading. Professional grading companies examine coins for wear, surface quality, strike, luster, and other characteristics. A high-grade example can be dramatically more desirable than a heavily worn coin. That is why collectors should always handle potentially valuable coins carefully and avoid cleaning them. And this is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Never clean a potentially valuable coin. Cleaning can leave scratches, chemical damage, or an unnatural appearance, which may reduce its collectible value. If you believe your 1995 quarter has something special about it, preserve it exactly as you found it and consider getting an expert opinion. So, is every 1995 Washington quarter worth a fortune? Absolutely not. Most examples are common and are worth around their normal face value unless they have special characteristics. But that is exactly why searching your change can be exciting. You never know when you might discover a high-grade example, an unusual variety, or a genuine mint error. Before spending your 1995 Washington quarter, take a few seconds and inspect it carefully. Use good lighting, a magnifying glass, and compare the coin with a normal example. Check the date, mint mark, lettering, design details, surfaces, and edge. Coin collecting is all about the details. A coin that looks ordinary at first can sometimes become a fascinating discovery when you know exactly what to look for. So, if you have a 1995 Washington quarter dollar sitting in your pocket, coin jar, old collection, or change box, don't ignore it. Give it a closer look. Check its condition, search for genuine mint errors, and see whether you have an example that could be more interesting to collectors. If you enjoy discovering rare coins, valuable coins, Washington quarters, Lincoln pennies, Jefferson nickels, and hidden treasures in everyday pocket change, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are always searching for coins that could be worth more than their face value. Remember, valuable coins can sometimes be hiding in the most unexpected places. Check your change, protect your coins, and always look closely before you spend them. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next coin hunt.